Hi all, I have a quick video to do yoga and stretches right after gardening. It's a gardening season right now and we're doing a lot of bending and squatting. Together we will move our spine, our shoulders and our hips again, and undoing all the bending and squatting that we do during gardening. For today's class, please have a scarf or a belt nearby as we will use them later. So let's go ahead and get started by standing up on our mat. We'll start by doing some cat-cow standing. So on the inhale, lift the chest forward, cactus your arms to the side. Exhale, round through the spine. Deep inhale as you reach forward. Deep exhale as you round the spine, bringing mobility and blood flow back to our spine here after a lot of bending during our gardening session. Keep breathing and keep allowing your breath to synchronize with your movement. Inhale forward. Deep exhale, round the spine, palms together. Again, inhale forward. Exhale, round the spine, palms towards each other. Continue with this movement at your own pace and keep breathing. Excellent. Now we'll move our hips in big circles, counterclockwise direction. We're bringing mobility back to our hips, through our hamstrings, through our legs. Keep allowing your breath to connect with your movement. Perhaps inhale as you round to the front, and then exhale as you complete the circle to the back. As you're ready, go ahead and switch direction clockwise. Keep breathing. Excellent. Now go ahead and grab your scarf or your belt. Wrap it on your palms. From here, we're just gonna floss to the back and back to the front, bringing mobility back to our shoulders. You can also adjust the distance between your hands. If it's closer, it'll be harder. If it's further apart, it'll be easier. So play around with the distance. Pause the video if you need to. And move as you're ready. Get back into it with your breath. When we're gardening, we're doing a lot of bending in our back. So this is a good way to bring balance back to our pose, to our spine, to our shoulders. All right, good job. Now we're gonna move in circles, starting with counterclockwise. Again, use your belt or use your scarf to move with you. Your knee is bent a bit. Don't lock down so you can freely move. Tighten up your core as you move so you can protect your spine. As you're ready, go ahead and switch direction clockwise. Keep breathing. Excellent. From here, we're gonna put the scarf to the side, get on your low lunge, starting with the right leg forward. We're just gonna go back and forth between low lunge to half split, low lunge to half split. Keep breathing. Keep allowing your breath to connect with your movement. Now go ahead and press onto the inside of your right thigh. Stretching the inner thigh a bit here. Excellent. Let's switch leg, left leg forward, rocking back and forth. Keep breathing. Inhale forward. Exhale as you reach to half split. Feeling the stretch in the hamstrings area here. I also feel the stretch on the outside of the hip. And then as you're ready, go ahead and hold in your lunge and then press onto the inner thigh. Feeling the stretch in the hip flexor. Excellent. Now we're gonna come to child's pose. Releasing back onto your breath. Releasing the tension in our low back. Excellent. Lift up your head carefully. And we are all done. There you have it. A very quick way to stretch and do yoga after gardening. If this video helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Namaste.